Most people think their day starts when the alarm goes off, but they're wrong. Your day actually starts the night before. When winter hits, the days get shorter, the air gets colder, and your energy levels naturally dip. If you're waking up feeling sluggish and unmotivated, it's not the weather, it's your nighttime routine. Today I'm giving you the 10 killer winter night habits that will help you sleep like a baby and wake up like a high performer. First, follow the 3-hour dinner rule. Stop eating 3 hours before bed because if your body is busy digesting heavy comfort food, it can't focus on deep repair. Second, initiate a digital sunset by killing all screens 60 minutes before bed, as blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime and messes with your melatonin. Third, master your internal thermostat by taking a warm shower. The sudden drop in core temperature after you step out is the biological green light for your brain to shut down. Fourth, focus on winter hydration with a twist. Sip on warm chamomile or magnesium-infused tea to relax your nervous system without the chill of ice water. Fifth, do a 5-minute brain dump in a journal to clear the mental clutter that causes 2 a.m. overthinking. Sixth, prep your morning win by laying out your clothes and setting up your coffee station to remove any friction when it's freezing outside. Seventh, use a humidifier to keep the winter air from drying out your throat and skin, which drastically improves sleep quality. Eighth, switch off the harsh overhead lights and use warm amber lamps to signal your body that the sun has set. Ninth, spend 10 minutes reading a physical book, not a tablet, to reduce stress by 68% before lights out. Finally, habit 10 is the same time standard. Go to bed at the same time every night because your body thrives on consistency, especially in winter. Your life isn't changed by what you do once in a while. It's changed by what you do every single night. If you're ready to take control of your energy, comment "I am committed" below, subscribe for more science-backed habits, and I'll see you in the next one.